Now, the cash book. The cash book here is used to record cash received and cash payments. Cash received and cash payments. Cash received and cash payments. It's only for cash transaction. Anything that does not deals with cash. If there's any business transaction that takes place in the business and there's no exchange of cash, the cash that I'm talking about can be whether they pay the paper notes, cash. Yes, it can also be a check. It can also be bank transfer. Yes, that is cash. Immediately, as long as after the customer bought goods, they paid immediately, or after you bought goods from a supplier and you paid immediately, that is cash transaction, and it goes to your cash book. It's only called cash received, which is cash that comes in, and cash paid payments, which is money spent maybe on expenses, on acquisition of stock, acquisition of assets, anything. As long as you have paid cash, it goes into your cash books. And the source documents, we have we have cash invoice, we have receipts, we have check, we have some other like your teller. Yes, teller. You have teller. If you do transaction on POS, you have that voucher, payment voucher, POS voucher or receipt. So all those are anything that you can use to acknowledge or to show evidence that a cash transaction takes place or took place. Then those are the source documents for cash book. We are going to stop here. So in our next class we'll continue from here because of our time. So let's digest this first. As I've said earlier, please try as much as you can to subscribe to my channel so that immediately these videos come out, you will be updated and we'll keep learning together. So if you have anything you don't understand, you are free to write it in your comments. I'm going to reply, I'm going to respond to it. If you have any question, you can ask me. So when we are done with this, we are going to go, when we are done with this theoretical explanation, then we will go into the calculation aspect, the practical aspect of these journals. And when we are done with that, we move to our accounting proper. So that is that for now. Thank you. God bless you.